I want to tell you a little bit about the dry brush technique and how I used it in the beach ball painting. I'm using this technique in a later stage of the painting on top of the underpainting. So if you don't mind, and to be honest, even if you do mind, I'll take you through the underpainting with the help of a time lapse. As you can see, I didn't do the contours of the cloud in the first layer. Instead, I filled out the entire surface of the sky with shades of blue. In this case, a mix of King's Blue and Scheveningse Blue Light, an Old Holland color. The dry brush technique only works on a layer with a different color. On top of the blue sky, I painted the clouds in a soft purple. In a later stage, it will become the color of the shadows of the cloud. Up to this moment, I've been using the medium I always use, Liquin Light Gel, a fast-drying medium. Okay, now we're getting to the dry brush part. I'm mixing titanium white with a hint of Naples yellow reddish. No medium here, just pure paint. I'm adding a little Scheveningen blue deep because I don't want this layer to be the highlight of the clouds. Not yet. Here we go. Notice how I use the purple underpainting to define the shape of the bulges within the cloud, while at the same time it becomes a soft shadow. Now we're getting somewhere. The Badger Hair fan brush to smooth out the thumbprints. If you don't do that, they'll remain annoyingly visible, seen from a certain angle. Watch the clouds above the dunes. And on the right-hand side of the painting. It took a few days for the previous layer to dry, no medium remember, but now we're getting to the painting of the highlights of the clouds. Titanium white and vermilion red. Hey, look at that, a beach ball. A solid object like a beach ball can easily become isolated in your painting. This has to do with the edges. That is why I'm painting lighter contours to soften the edges and to create a sense of light around the ball. We're getting to the final stages of the painting, and that means filling in the details. With just a few strokes, you'll bring out the light on top of these tiny clouds. Okay, I think it's finished. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to find out more about my painting technique, please go to paintingskies.com/video. And a last goodbye to dear Alphonse.